In today's MATLAB Basics, I'm going to show a simplified version of some code that I was debugging the other day for a MATLAB user. Now, what this code actually does can be done in a much better way, but this captures the essence of the bug that we found. If we look at the code, basically we're going to take the numerator and divide by the denominator each time through the loop. However, if the denominator is equal to 0, then that is a special case and the answer will be 1. So if we were to run this, we would expect with this data values to go from 1 to half to a third to a seventh. Let's take a look at the plot when we run this. And what we see is it starts at 1 and then goes to 0, 0, 0, and then the numbers we expect. Why did that happen? The best way to figure this mystery out is to set a breakpoint inside the for loop and then take the semicolon off of these values of a so we can see as that value evolves each time through the loop. Let's run this again. And looking at the command window, I can just say db continue. And we get a equals 1 as expected, then 1 half, 1 third. It looks like these values are doing well. But then all of a sudden a goes to just a scalar 1. That's weird. And then we go to the fifth value and it's 1/5, 1/6, and 1/7. So it looks like in the case where we have a division by 0 and we do the special case, that's where something messes up. So let's look back at the code. And in the code here, we can see that we're actually setting a, the entire vector, equal to 1, when really we want to set that specific element to 1. Let's get rid of that breakpoint because I'm feeling lucky, and hit F5 to save and run. And now, looking at the graph, we can see it's doing what we expected. So I don't know what to call that kind of syntax error. I guess it's just indexing. I wouldn't expect this exact kind of error to happen for anyone else, but I do think that the technique of debugging by stepping through the loop and watching the evolution of your values is what's important here. Thank you.